How to fix audio not working, crackling, muffled, and popping on MacBook. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is restart the Core Audio service. Core Audio controls sounds on macOS and restarting it can fix glitches, so this is the best method you can use. So how to do so? Open Terminal. You can find it via Spotlight by pressing Command plus space, then type terminal and hit enter and navigate to the terminal. Now, once you are inside the terminal, you will have to enter a command. Type down sudo kill all core audio and press enter. Make sure you type down the same command I have typed on my MacBook. Then enter your Mac password when prompted. It won't show as you type, and this will restart the audio service automatically. Now once done so, all you have to do is tap on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen, and once you tap on the Apple icon, you will get to see a drop-down menu appear on your screen, and from the drop-down menu, tap on the System Settings or System Preferences according to your macOS version. Now once inside the system settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available in the left hand side panel, then tap on the software update. Inside software update, make sure that you are in the latest version of the updates or install any available updates, then restart your Mac. Apple often fixes audio bugs in updates. Now, once you have updated your macOS version to the latest, then try seeing the audio. And if it's still not fixed, then lastly all you have to do is tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner, tap on the restart and restart your Apple device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.